I'm Derek Wagg. I'm the VP of Customer Success with Geocue. We've got our product LP360. It's basically a point cloud processing engine. It doesn't matter where your point cloud came from. We try to ensure that we can take in data from various types of hardware, whether that's LiDAR or photogrammetric point clouds. We want to bring those in. We give you a number of tools for doing various types of processing. A lot of users, just big agencies and wide area mapping collections have used it for years for doing all of their QA/QC type of work, making sure that the data is, good in the right place, that it's, there aren't anomalies in the data set, etc. So there's lots of tools in there for working with that. Of course, we've expanded it over the years, added more tools in to work with the drone space, which is part of why we're here today. We've got our own drones for the Geocue. We've got our TrueView line, and of course our product supports that for generating the point clouds out of those drones. But of course we also have expanded it to open up for all kinds of other drones. So we can do it from a very generic standpoint. If you've got LAS files, you've got trajectory for those, you want to bring those in, you want to be able to strip align them and do your processing from that point forward, including classification, product generation, preparing to go into Civil 3D, all those other things. Definitely have the tools for that. And then we have some closer integration. So with like the DJI, we've recently done an extra integration with the DJI L2, where we work with their Terra Cloud to be able to replace having to work with their Terra Desktop. Gives you all the advantages of being able to leverage the cloud for doing multi-cycle processing, multi-flight processing. Enables you to push data through a lot faster by having more resources available to work with. And for the user, we make that easier because we try to streamline all that within our single interface. You're not having to learn how to use multiple different tools. It's one piece of software, it's all got the look and feel. And of course, even if you've got different types of hardware, what we're trying to do is streamline all the workflows so they're very similar. So again, the user, it doesn't matter if it's a DJI, if it's a TrueView, if it's something else, you can use all those different things and just bring them into LP360 and give you the tools to be able to work with those, to be able to produce your products, quality control your data sets, do your classification, and really prepare and then disseminate that data through our cloud if you need to help with your users who may not have a desktop product of their own.